Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 8T, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this OPPO. Firstly, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access additional settings. Now tap on Keyboard and Input method, select Manage Keywords, and click on Revert. Finally, tap on Text Correction, and as you can see, after scrolling down, autocorrection is here. If you wish to switch it off or on, just tap on the switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!